Did you know Tesla holds over 65% of the EV market in the US? But with fierce competition rising, can Elon Musk keep Tesla on top, or are his recent decisions steering the company off course? Elon Musk, a visionary, a disruptor, and sometimes a polarizing figure. Today, we're diving into the challenges Tesla faces under Musk's leadership and asking the big question, can he secure Tesla's future, or is the company's golden age behind us? Tesla is no longer the lone wolf in the electric vehicle industry. Giants like Ford, GM, and even startups like Rivian are closing in. Meanwhile, Tesla faces challenges like production delays, growing concerns over workforce morale, and a backlash against Musk's polarizing public image. Add to that, Tesla's stock has seen fluctuations driven by doubts over Musk's ability to balance his commitments across multiple ventures like SpaceX and X, formerly Twitter. The question remains, can Tesla sustain its dominance amidst all this turbulence? Despite the hurdles, Musk isn't backing down. Tesla has doubled down on innovations like the long-awaited Cybertruck, cutting-edge AI for self-driving tech, and plans to build more gigafactories around the globe. But here's the twist. Musk has also hinted at a shift toward making Tesla more than just an EV company, envisioning it as a tech empire blending energy solutions and AI-driven services. Will this diversification strengthen Tesla or stretch it too thin? Here's the critical moment. Tesla's future hinges on two factors: Musk's ability to maintain investor confidence and Tesla's capacity to outpace competitors in tech and affordability. One slip and Tesla could lose its crown. But if Musk's bold vision works, Tesla could redefine the industry all over again. Tesla is at a crossroads, and Elon Musk's leadership will either propel it to even greater heights or lead to its fall from grace. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Will Musk's bold moves secure Tesla's future or create more challenges? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech and innovation.